Hi all, welcome to yet another quick tutorial, this time how to edit 4K videos easily in Adobe Premiere Pro. You have some incredible footages, maybe you are shooting with a red or whatever, you get some hardcore 4K and up footage and you drop that your footage on your timeline and you're like, why is this not playing back? Why is my computer slowing down? Or I have to watch this in 25% quality in order to get a smooth playback or editing. The answer is proxies. What is a proxy? It is a kind of like creating duplicate footage that is lower resolution so that it's easier to edit and your computer to manage while you're on the project. Come down to your toolbar, hit the plus button, drag that toggle proxies down to your toolbar, hit OK. Come back to your clip, right click, hit proxy, create proxies, which opens up a little dialog box which has some presets. Select the one which your computer can handle, hit OK, and it will do the magic of creating proxies which will be saved near to your original file location. Your 4K and high resolution footage is still there, and when you go to export these proxies that you've made, they kind of call back that original high resolution footage that you have. And you can export your project with all the same cuts and color grades and everything that you have done to your proxies will be then applied to your high resolution footage. Essentially, this is saving you from a lot of frustration. And then come back to your icon on the toolbar and click that once to start working with the proxies. Check that out. I love it. Thanks for watching.